Sometimes I feel like I'm figuratively and literally a washing machine. Like I just feel like I'm a large steel cube connected to the world via wires and pipes, and that my only purpose is to wash, rinse, and spin clothes. Just an endless cycle of washing and rinsing and spinning and rinsing and spinning until it ends, you know? And they take the spun, rinsed and washed clothes out of you, and they just leave you, an empty husk of a washing machine. This kettle is an allegory for a washing machine. And I am deep.